Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what it does is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and then if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so after you subscribe, once you hit that bell, you're all set and you won't miss out on any of the videos. All right, today I'm going to be going through something a little bit different. I didn't get lucky this month on volume 5 with Trend Mood, and they introduced me though to some lines that I already either have tried the product, some were Skin Fix and some were Murad, and some ones that I've already, a couple that I didn't know about that I was excited to have the opportunity to try, but by not getting the box, I'm not going to be able to at this time. However, she did introduce a product from Catrice, which for a Trend Mood box I thought was really unique because normally what's in the boxes are not drugstore brands. And Catrice is a brand that for me has really been a winner. I've enjoyed their foundation. I found and did some videos on my channel. There was a palette, I think it was called Bad ASS, and I was blown away with the actual formulas of the eyeshadows. So I used to stay clear of some eyeshadows palettes in the drugstore, but not anymore. If you've seen a couple of my videos, you've seen I've been absolutely blown away now that I'm here in the US and I've had the opportunity to try some products. But Catrice is a line that I've always really found to be fantastic. Like I said, their foundation, their concealers, their lipsticks, and their eyeshadows have all been wins for me. So when I saw that one of the products she was showing in there, I'm still on the hunt for it, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to find it. Catrice did a collaboration with Eman, and I was able to find something on Amazon, and I am going to share that with you guys today. This is an eyeshadow palette. It is, and I wouldn't have even known if I wasn't watching the Trend Mood sneak peeks that Catrice even had a collaboration with Eman. So I was really happy when I was able to source it on Amazon, which means it'll be available to all of you guys as well. So this here, it just says Strong is Beautiful. It's an eyeshadow palette with, let's see what we have in here. It's a 9 shade palette, which looks like this. There's a full mirror on the top, and it has the plastic shield on here. And I'm gonna just show it to you guys up close. I haven't even played with this yet. Literally, the doorbell rang and I wanted to immediately film. So this is what the product looks like here, and I will be swatching this for you. I just want to read to you a little bit about what they wrote about it on Amazon so I know what I'm getting my fingers into and we know what to expect. All right, so it says Catrice Eman. It is a 9 shade eyeshadow palette. They're saying it is highly pigmented, it's matte and shimmer finishes, it's vegan, alcohol, perfume, and oil-free and cruelty-free. This was only $11.99 and it was Prime. And it says Eman teamed up with Catrice to create the Catrice and Eman Bronzed AF eyeshadow palette and a 9 long-lasting high pigmented neutral shades. Excuse me, the 9 long-lasting buildable shades will create your own bronzed eyeshadow look with 9 highly pigmented and buildable shades in matte and pearl finishes. The rich powder formula is a dream to blend, and it doesn't crease. It's made for all skin tones. They're saying these 9 gorgeous blendable pigmented neutral shades were created to fit all skin tones. And Catrice Cosmetics, they are committed to a cleaner standard. That means communicating to you what is our products and what is not in them. Check out the item description to see the full list of how and why we're clean. They're saying it is cruelty-free, it's certified and acknowledged by PETA as a cruelty-free brand. They do not test any of their products on animals, never have and never will. So I think that's important information to share. So on the back here, it says bronzed and eyeshadow, and that's the colors that are there. This print is so minute that it is impossible to read to tell you what's in here, but I did check, and the first two were talc and mica. So All right, so I'm just gonna flip the mirror back so that you guys can see this up close. There are names on here, so as I'm swatching, I will tell you what the names of the products are. I did not take a wipe out, so I will do that now. All right, so the first ones here, the first three is called Fairfax, Sunset, and Melrose. So the first two look like mattes, and this looks what like she's calling a pearl product. All right. So we'll do those three. Okay, the first one, oh, they swatch pretty. The first one I'm just gonna redo because that's so close to my skin tone that you might not be able to see it, but I'm gonna try to get as close up to the camera as I can. So those are the first three. I am gonna use the facial wipe, and then I have a washcloth that's dry right beside it. Okay, the next three is called Malibu, Laguna, and Runyon. All right, these two look like that pearl, and the last one looks like a matte. All right, so those are those three there. Also really pretty. Really, really pretty. All right, and the last three is Hollywood Boulevard, Sweetser, and Mulholland Drive. And that's those three there. Really pretty. So, like I said, I was really impressed with this Catrice brand. I'm even more impressed that it's 9 shades that we're able to get for $11.99 Prime, Amazon, you know, couple day delivery, and you have it at your door, and it is still available for all of you guys too to be able to see. So I always like when an eyeshadow palette has this first shade here that I like to use all over my lid after I do my primer to set my primer, which makes it all smooth for all the other eyeshadows to go on. I think it's really, a lot of palettes aren't doing this now, but a black I think is really important. You can use the black as a liner. If you are using a gel eyeliner, if you put a little bit of black eyeshadow on top of it, it does help for it not to bleed or migrate usually into your eyes. These other shades to me are really hot right now, which is this color here. This is a fantastic transition shade, and you have your browns, your deeper browns. I think this is a perfect natural palette. So I think this is a win-win. The fact that it's this tiny, has a full mirror in it, so to take it to travel, I think it is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, this was $11.99. I was able to find it on Amazon. You can also get any product from Catrice. Also, their website is very user-friendly. I think they do free freight at $25. So if you want to look around and see what other products are available from Catrice, that's a good place to go. And then if you sign yourself up for an email, they give you an initial discount for your first order and things like that. So I just think it's an absolute find. And when I find drugstore products that are win-wins, I want to make sure to tell you guys about it, because I used to be a drugstore snob, and when I lived up in Canada, I rarely went to the drugstore. And then when, for my Canadian girls, Shoppers Drug Mart in Bayview Village, they not only had the drugstore, they had all the higher end brands too. So it's really changing, where it's really starting to all come together. But when you have companies like Amazon being able to pick up the products and get them in a couple of days, try it out. If you don't like it, you can easily, these are definitely returnable if you're not happy with the product, or if you have any issues, you know, with the product, it's an easy return. I don't know how much that is when you buy directly from websites. You have to read in the website what their return policies are. But I'm very comfortable purchasing on Amazon. I don't do a lot of returns, but I do enjoy having access, and the price point is one that I'm comfortable with, and being able to get it in a couple of days if it's something that I want. So I just wanted to take this time to share it with you guys here. All right. Once again, if you're enjoying my content, I am still going to be looking for the other items from that I saw in the Trim Mood box. I'm really what got me started was a blush and a bronzer and a highlighter. It was a 4, and I watched so many girls open up their boxes and nobody swatched it. So I've got to find this, because I've got to see for myself if it's something for me. And like I said, I'm just truly impressed with the Catrice line of products. All right. If you're enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Supposedly it is really important on the YouTube platform for other people to be able to find my channel. YouTube helps if they see a lot of thumbs up on the video. So other people that have not met me yet, but like this type of content, they'll introduce me into their feed. So it does mean a lot if you guys take the time to just underneath the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see some of my other videos, right underneath the video where my name is True Wants in bold letters, if you click on that, it brings you into a different area that shows you all the videos that I ever uploaded, and you can go through and scroll through those if any of those are of interest to you that you want to watch. All right? Once again, I appreciate so much that you guys take some time out of your day to spend it with me here. But most importantly, I want to say I would love you all to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.